Hey, and that is in what subdivision? Yeah. Okay, perfect. And is this going to be a one-time cleaning? Are you looking for regular service? What are you looking for? Oh, okay, regular service is either weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly for us. Monthly? Okay, sure. So what is the square footage of your home? Single level, okay. And how many people are living in the home with you? Is it just you and your significant other? Just you and your significant other. Okay, perfect. And any doggies or kitties? 2 doggies and 1 cat. Okay, sure. And then how many bedrooms are we looking at? 3 bedrooms. And how many bathrooms? 2 bathrooms. How many kitchens are we looking at? 1 kitchen. All right, awesome. And the reason why I'm asking is because in the area that we resided in the 70s and 80s, there were not any building codes. So a lot of homes actually have 2 whole kitchens. Can you believe that? Yeah. Totally funny, I know. So with the monthly cleaning, are you going to want your baseboards wet wiped or any of that stuff? Nope, just as needed. Okay, perfect. And how about those ceiling fans? You're going to be wanting those dusted? Yeah, we'll dust those, no problem. And what about blinds? Are there any blinds in your home? Yes. Okay, and can we feather dust them? Yes. Okay, perfect. So we're feather dusting the blinds. How many sets of blinds do you think there are? 37 sets of blinds. Woo! That's a lot of dusting. All right. So it looks like your bi-weekly cleaning price is going to be blank, whatever it is that you decide it's going to be. Would you like me to email that to you? Sure, no problem. Why don't I get that email address? We'll send that over to you and we'll send you a welcome packet with this short little video on who we are. And then when you're ready to move forward, you can let us know, unless you want to schedule right now. No, you want to talk it over with your husband? Yep, I get it. All right, no problem. And I have your phone number as whatever the phone number is. Perfect. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for calling. Take care. Pretty easy. That's how you do it right over the phone.